Well, I want to start with congratulating you on your result. 7 overall band in IELTS is a commendable score. And I am super sure he must have worked very hard for that. What's your name?
I am Arman.
Arman, I saw your result and you scored 7 in IELTS writing. What did you do? What kind of things did you do to actually score that?
Well, especially Anmol sir helped children in the class irrespective of the size, and he was very supportive and always provided us with simple answers that we can have as an homework.
Well, I would actually agree with him. Are there any distinct features of Harpreet English classes which really helped you in your journey?
Well, I would say the Harpreet English Classes app was a great option for me to study for my IELTS exam. And moreover, all the tests and particular homework was uploaded there. So I would say app has really helped me to foster my skills in this test.
Well, yeah, application is a very good addition to Harpreet English classes. Would you recommend these classes to all other students as well?
Well, first of all, I'm grateful to all the teachers here who are very supportive and cooperative. And yeah, I would surely introduce this particular academy to all my friends who are pursuing IELTS. And I would say my best thanks to all the teachers here.